Amazon.com, it's me, Beau. Today, this is going to be the fastest Kwikset installation of both the deadbolt and knob. Let's hop right into this. So the best thing to do is to first start with your deadbolt. Go ahead and slide that in like so. If you're not sure which side should go up, just go ahead and then get the key section, slide this in like so. There's a mysterious dog out here. That is not my dog.
A few minutes later.
And then get the key like so, slide it in, and then just give it a turn without even screwing it in to see if it will even operate. And it does, so that confirms that we can now continue putting the screws in. Now you'll note that this faceplate right here might look a little different because I'm also installing a smart lock right here. But normally, this little guy is usually on there. But same difference, this plate and this plate. And the exact same installation process that you did with the top, go ahead and do with the bottom. Try to assemble it as best as possible without the screws in place. Give it a test to make sure that it is in fact working. And that confirms that it's in place, so go ahead and pop the screws in there and there. Now, it might actually take a little bit of wiggling and turning to actually get the correct orientation for this to slip into the other knob. But once that is the case, then you're going to get the shorter of the longer screws. Not this kind of screw, but this shorter kind of screw. See how much more narrow it is? That will slide right on in. And then the last thing I did replace, even though it wasn't entirely necessary, but you know what, they're brand new and shiny, so I just went ahead and popped that plate on and this one as well. Do keep in mind that the top deadbolt one, it's generally a good idea to use the longer of the screws to sink this all the way in, because this is your main security item right here, that deadbolt. So you want to make sure that that is sunk into the frame. Let's go ahead and test this to make sure that it does work. And that's nice. Unlocks, very smooth. Then let's make sure that this locks as well. Very nice and smooth. Wow, I wasn't even sure if it locked all the way because it was so smooth. And unlocking, there we go. 5 out of 5 stars. There's the fast down and dirty tutorial on how to, there's my cat, Kwikset.